Hi everyone, I'm Tarushi Asara. Today I'm going to talk about my English course. මට මේ course එක ගැන මුලින්ම දැනගන්න ලැබුණේ මගේ ඉංග්‍රීසි teacher ගෙන්. ඊට පස්සේ මම මේ course එකට සම්බන්ධ වෙලා බැලුවා. So I'm really happy about joining this course because I was very poor at English before. I couldn't speak English well, but now I can speak English clearly. Our sir trained us well from the beginning. We always did activities such as beautiful dramas and speech. Also taught how to use grammar correctly, and I learned how to use English various situations in society. He taught us a lot of things in short period of 30 days. So I'm really satisfied this course. It is very useful to lot to achieve my dream. So I'm very thankful to our sir for giving us marvelous knowledge and guide us well. You are the best English master I have ever met. ඉතින් මම ඔයාලට ආරාධනා කරනවා සම්බන්ධ වෙලා බලන්න මේ course එකට. I think this is the best course to make your dreams come true. Thank you.